Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, right hinge cover, right display panel hinge, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure and remove. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam board. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.